Preheat the grill to the desired temperature before grilling the chicken. This will ensure that the chicken cooks evenly and thoroughly. Choose a high-quality, fresh piece of chicken for the best taste and texture. Look for chicken that has a vibrant color and a firm, elastic texture. Avoid chicken that looks dull or has any brown or gray patches. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels before grilling. This will help to remove any excess moisture from the surface of the chicken, which will help create a crispy exterior during the grilling process. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, and any desired herbs and spices. This will add flavor to the chicken and help to enhance its natural taste. Place the chicken on the preheated grill and grill it until it is cooked to your desired level of doneness. The grilling time will depend on the thickness of the chicken and the desired level of doneness. For medium rare, grill the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes per side. For well done, grill the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes per side. Baste the chicken with a mixture of melted butter, lemon juice, and any desired herbs and spices during the grilling process. This will help to keep the chicken moist and flavorful as it cooks. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the chicken is fully cooked and safe to eat. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius for both white and dark meat. If you want a crispy skin on the chicken, place it skin side down on the grill. This will allow the skin to come into direct contact with the heat of the grill, which will help it to become crispy as it cooks. If you prefer a softer skin, place the chicken skin side up on the grill and cover it with foil during the grilling process. This will help to protect the skin from becoming too crispy and allow it to remain soft and tender. Serve the grilled chicken hot, with a variety of accompaniments, such as grilled vegetables or a green salad. Enjoy!